Hi everyone, and welcome to Best Laid Plans. Plan with me for the monthly spread for October 2022. And I have to take a moment because I realized that one of the first spreads and like videos that I did on this channel was my October monthly spread. So this is sort of like a planiversary for me. And I'm really excited because we're gonna do one of my favorite like movies and themes, which is Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. I have some purple and green washi. This is the Inky Stardust from Simply Gilded. And I also have a kit that I got from DaniFaithDesigns. I don't think she's making stickers anymore, which is really sad because I love her kits. So I got this a couple years ago and I hadn't used it yet, but it is pastel. So I probably won't be using a lot of these boxes or things like that, but I will be using a lot of the other ones. So I will save these and I can use them for my weekly spread. But other than that, I will be using the Nightmare Before Christmas planner stickers from the Happy Planner. These are the ones that came with the sticker storage bundle. And I did a flip through of this on my Instagram in case you want to check it out. But that is what we're going to use. I definitely want my washi to go over everything at the end, so we're going to save washi to the end, and I'm going to start by laying out stickers. And I will need to find some decorative stickers to put over things. For instance, I had a colonoscopy scheduled for the 19th that was moved to the 21st. Yay, I'm so excited about that. But I definitely want to add some of these, I think, along the top, and we'll just have a lot of fun making this spread pastel and goth and fun and Disney and quirky and just all of the things I associate with Nightmare Before Christmas and Tim Burton style. So I am just gonna go ahead and get into it. And if you have questions about products I'm using, I will leave links to Simply Gilded, and I'll list the Happy Planner items and things. But as I mentioned, this sticker kit is no longer available. However, I know that there are Etsy shops and other places that have similar kits that are Nightmare Before Christmas themed. So just look around there and I'm sure you will find something similar. It's just that this kit is no longer available, which just makes me sad because I really, really like this shop. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I will just play some fun, creepy music. Some quirky Halloween music, and we will go ahead and get started. So I have the general setup of the kit now, and I just added some of these little header stickers in rows to add a little effect on a couple of dates. And now what I'm going to do is take the decorative boxes, and for those dates that I have like meetings or things on my agenda that I know about, we're just going to add those in, and then I can write on them for when I do my after the pen. am keeping the rest of this kit to do my weekly spread, and this is what I have for right now. I added a couple other things. I want to do a Halloween Town marathon on the 29th, so I've got my little TV sticker there. I have paydays with these coral flags, and I have the 8th is my mom's birthday. Oh, I need to add a little birthday present logo, don't I? That was the only thing I forgot to do. That's very important. So there we go. And then it is Honey, our new Basset Dachshund puppy's birthday on the 18th. And it's going to be on the 10th. It is a couple different holidays, and it is also one of my planner friend Danny's birthdays, and it's the launch of her 2023 planner collection, including the digital files. I know there's some stuff from that I want for my 2023 planner, so that is one thing I want to remember. So let's add, I need to just add a little sticker for that. Little heart sticker, and that way I have something there. But that really is everything kind of pre-pen ready to go. So next I want to add some washi tape, and I think what I want to do is add this along the top. No, I'm going to add this along the top, and then I'm going to add this along the very bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to show cutting the washi on camera just because that'll take forever, and I don't want this to be super long because I want to do the after the pen as well. But I'm going to move this up a little bit and maybe do like diagonal. Yeah, we'll do diagonal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the washi along the top and bottom, and then I need to get some date cover or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday stickers after I get the washi down. We'll get the washi down, and we'll move on to adding our Nightmare Before Christmas Happy Planner stickers. Here is all the washi tape now on the bottom and top, and I'm not worried that I covered up the dates or anything because I'm going to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and everything in, and then I'll find a sticker that says October to add. But next I want to go into the Nightmare Before Christmas book and get some larger stickers to add to the spread, just to kind of make it a little more cool, I guess. And I want to get a clear sticker. I really like this one here, but now I'm thinking if it's going to go over this, that maybe I can't use a clear sticker, so I might change my plan. I may have to change my plan, which is fine. There's lots of good stickers in here. So I'm going to just browse through this and kind of compare size, and then when I have a sticker ready, I will start showing you guys again. All right, I figured out what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this page that has Sally's hand, and it has the different little potions, and I really like it because these are gold foil, which is going to match well with the washi and everything. So I'm going to start with this sticker here, and I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to take the Worms Wart bottle here, and I'm just going to add it down here. And then we have the Deadly Nightshade, and I'm going to add that here. And let's go ahead and add Frog's Breath too, just have the whole the whole thing done. And I also realized I forgot to put a sticker here because there's something on this date. So I'm glad that I saw that. I'll go ahead and add the Frog's Breath here on the 12th because I don't have anything particular that day. Sometimes you remember things while you're planning, and that's okay. So I'm going to, I'll just use this sticker here. Because I have a meeting that day. Then I want to add the rest of this page on, I think. And we're going to do the little bats. So we'll do a bat here. I kind of want them to just look like they're flying across the page. Do another bat here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to use this whole page because I think that these stickers just work really well with this, and they'll finish out the spread very, very nicely. So I've got this little thing here. Let's see. Kind of feels weird that that's going to point right to my colonoscopy appointment. We can make our planners pretty, but sometimes we can't make our plans pretty, y'all. So what's left now are just these cute little stars. So I'm going to finish adding those, and then I will find an October sticker. And then I think what I'll use to do the dates is just to write like M, T, W, and that kind of thing. This is the Magic, I want to say it's called Magic Gems, and it's a Sharpie. Let me get the box. I got this at Dollar Tree. Yeah, Mystic Gems. And so this is like a jade color. So they had these at Dollar Tree in this color, and this will match this thread perfect. So actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just add those right now while I'm thinking about it. So we have our days of the week now, and that ended up matching perfectly. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So now I'm going to add these stickers, and I'll find an October, and then we can do the After the Pen together. So I added the little star stickers, and then in the old fall seasonal book, I still had an October monthly clear sticker, and it was in purple. So I just put it right over here by Sally's hand. And then from the new fall harvest sticker book, I found the Happy Halloween sticker. It has like a gunmetal foil on it, and I put it down where Halloween is. So I consider this spread ready for After the Pen. I will go ahead and take some pictures before I start writing, just in case. But I think that we are in pretty good shape. So I will just filling this in and show you guys the final product. And here is my finished After the Pen October monthly. I absolutely love this. I just think it's so pretty. I love these colors for Halloween. I know they're like kind of like Mardi Gras colors, but I just think they work so well. And I guess you guys know what I'm gonna be for Halloween. Shira. So I'll share all that on Instagram. My dogs are probably gonna wear the same costumes as last year because those things are expensive. So this is everything for my October monthly. I'm really happy with kind of how this has come full circle from the first time that I did like Halloween spreads and everything on my YouTube channel, and just knowing that this is going to be like my planiversary for 2022, and I just feel like everything has come full circle and it's making me really happy and a little bit emotional. But this is my spread. I hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know if you have like a favorite Halloween movie or anything like that in the comments. I know I'm really excited about Halloween Town and just getting back into all my 90s and outs nostalgia. But I will see you guys in the next video that'll be up on Wednesday, and I hope you have a safe and happy Halloween and a fantastic October. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!